Now that we've explored the treble clef, let's move on to another important clef in music notation, the bass clef. The bass clef, also known as the F clef, has two dots that surround the fourth line. This indicates that the fourth line represents the note F. You can see in this diagram how the F kind of looks like the bass clef. It really resembles this idea of an F, where these two dots are sort of the line that comes off here and here. So it looks a lot like an F. And you'll also notice the Fender logo is essentially a bass clef. So if you didn't know that, take a look at the Fender logo again. Instruments like the cello, bassoon, and the tuba, they all use a bass clef, and there's many other instruments that use it as well. Let's talk about the notes of the bass clef. So knowing that the fourth line, right here, it's in between these two dots. You can see that if you look to the far left on the staff system, there's a little red dot. That is the fourth line. If we go all the way down here, this fourth line is an F. That's why we call it the F clef. Also, an octave lower, right below the staff, just like the treble clef, we can have a note just below the staff. That's also called an F. So again, if we were to go through and try and play all of these notes, starting from the A and working our way backwards, you'd have to name each one. A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, and F. So we need a way to learn these notes quickly so that we don't have to think about them. We don't have to do mental calculations. When we see the bass clef, we just know, oh, I recognize that. That's an A. And because we're training advanced skills too, we need to start to get into these notes. We need to start hearing what I call the whisperings in each one of these notes. The subtle differences between these notes that makes an A here sound slightly different than the G. Do you hear a difference? Sure, one's higher than the other, but that's not the difference that you're hearing. There's something else. We're going to talk more about this and how you can actually hear these notes in a later lecture.